Hello everyone, and welcome to another live from the workshop. Now today I am going to be making a very rare thing that I do sometimes on this channel, it has been known. I'm going to be making a 375 Dalek custom, but what I am going to be making is a new series time controller Dalek. Now, as I said, I don't really do new series, well, 375 customs in general because I'm not a fan of the range. But with making an upcoming Dalek custom using a Dalek patrol ship, I found myself with a patrol ship pilot. Now I've previously used these and turned them into some classic new series Daleks in classic colours. I did this one that was the Planet of the Daleks Supreme, and I've also done a Chase Guard, but I'm not that bothered about keeping these. I'm not really a huge fan of them. So I thought, you know, I'll use the parts for this and I will make something good, and I'm going to be making the Dalek Time Controller. So, first things first, obviously, is just going to be basically doing some repainting and modifications. So, let's get on to that to start with. And here is my finished new series Dalek Time Controller. So I'm pretty pleased with the way this has come out actually. What I really want to do is if I get my new series. Did I just call this a classic new series, or am I imagining that? Anyway, that's my new series. This is my classic one. Now, ideally, what I want to do actually in this is I do want to repaint the neck rings and everything silver on this one, but unfortunately at the moment I don't have the silver spray paint I need. I've had to do this with a Sharpie, and as such it's slightly tacky, but that will dry within the next few days. But just to compare them, as I said, side by side, they look very good actually, and I'm really pleased with the way this has come out. This is actually probably one of the first new series 375 customs that I've done that I'm actually probably going to keep, because as I said, I've had to take apart my this one for that, so I've got lots of little parts and bits like that. I'm sure I could make something out of that. Perhaps I'll do a destroyed Dalek. And I've also got a chase guard that I made up, but this one I'm really pleased with. And actually, something that somebody pointed out to me that I was already partly aware of, obviously my Hive Dalek that I have here. Now, the Hive Dalek is actually much taller. In Fire and Brimstone, it's huge compared to the standard ones, and weirdly, the 375 ones are actually the right scale. So if anyone out there decides to make your own Hive Dalek, if you want it in 5-inch scale, just to stand alone, then obviously a 5-inch custom is great to do for it. But if you want it to be in scale with other Daleks, it's in scale with the 375. It's probably a little bit shorter than it needs to be, but it actually works really well. So this is now going to take pride of place on my desk next to him, as I'm always updating my desk and doing things. But that was my 375 time controller. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, favourite, subscribe, share, it really helps me out a lot. And I shall see you all with another video very soon.